Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable or disable dual device connection. At first, scroll down so that you can see more settings. Tap on it and here click on device list. Here, as you can see, the first option is dual device connection. You can connect up to 2 devices with your device at the same time. Disconnect one of the currently paired devices to connect a new device. We can either disable this option or enable by just tapping on this option. Switching requires about 10 seconds. We have to wait a moment. And now, as you can see, we have this option disabled. If you want to enable this back, you have to click on this switch on this option over here. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.